Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Blender video, and today we have something different. So last Blender video we did peanut butter, chips, and all the other stuff that I forgot what they were. And oh yeah, I forgot that if you hear some weird sound, forget about it. So we're going to blend.
Change my state of mind. Love so hard to find.
Yeah, so we got our gummy rabbit, and it's half eaten because I don't know. So here is our gummy rabbit, and we're gonna blend it. So if you want one of these, just go to Target or any place that has these. You could just search it up on. I just got this from Target, and yeah, let's start right into the video. So we're gonna put water, and yeah, but first let's see if.
Oh baby, a triple!
And I'm just gonna get a random cinematic of this in the blender to just make it look cool, and yeah. Okay, so now let's get right into the blender.
Let's get into the news!
That first, then water, and I'm gonna have the second camera right now. Hello, I am from the I don't know. Okay. So, wrong way. There. So, 3, 2, 1. Wait, I'm gonna put this somewhere. And it's leaking. Okay, so it's fizzling, and yeah. Chunks. Or probably not. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, so now we're back
into the news!
And yeah, so I already put this in a cup and haven't tried it out yet because for some reason the footage just got cut. So here's some blue water if you can even see it. And yeah. Yummy. Oh, it has that weird sound. Just listen to this for like a minute. But yeah, that sounds weird, and my hands are super sticky. And yeah, so Blender 1, pretty much nothing really happened. So if you guys have any Blender ideas, comment below, or just any usual video ideas, I'll do them. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and Blender.